So we have these two unit available. So this is the main gate. This is the another gate. Both units are adjacent to each other and having a different carpet area. So once I will confirm with the owner, I will let you know the carpet area. So the advantage of this unit, you can see the frontage area. We are getting this frontage for loading and unloading of our goods, and easily we can do our operation easily and smoothly. So right now we are moving to a big gala, like it is, this gala is bigger than this gala, so we are now moving to bigger gala. So this is the premises. Height is approx, I think, 14 feet. Height is approximately 14 feet. So you can observe one small gate in this unit. So this gate is closed by the owner because of this tree. This is banyan or people tree, I don't know regarding that, but we can utilize this place for some, if you want some storage purpose, you can put some your goods there. So this is the unit we have. So the owner charging only from this unit. This is the external part, but we can use. So the expectation of the owner for this gala, they will quote, I will let you know for that quotation. So that is the excluding part. So right now I am moving to a small gala which is adjacent to this. So this is the gala. The height is, I think, approximately 12 feet. The advantage of this industry and premises, that this belong to a very well reputed owner who are very flexible, and he is very cooperative also. So here we can enjoy the benefit of loading and unloading of goods. So this is the frontage area. Here our vehicle can easily come and do the part of loading and unloading. On extreme left we are getting a washroom also. So this is the common washroom, but we can talk to the owner for allotting for this unit. We will talk, I'm not confirming yet. And there is a common washroom already there, you can see. So we are getting this unit. So both units are available for lease, and I will let you know the lease amount and the carpet area. So thank you so much. My name is Sushmanshu from Sushmanshu Properties. For more details, kindly contact me. Thank you.